Talking to your boy about the birds and the bees is hard. Finding the right time and place? Harder. Add an Asian father to the equation, and we have one of the hardest tasks in the world. In most Asian cultures, father and son communication is minimal, if not non-existent. What if we can help fathers talk to their sons about sex and make this all-important talk happen at the right time and place? The insight? There's an opportunity for sex education when a young, curious boy attempts to log on to his first porn site. Our client, StarHub SafeSurf, an adult content control service designed for parents to block internet porn. The idea? Turn SafeSurf block pages for porn into pages for fathers to educate their sons. We built a website where fathers can create their own SafeSurf block pages. Dads can input details about their children into our education videos catered to different age groups, making the videos personalised and engaging. All customised pages are tied to unique IP addresses, so when a boy attempts to visit a porn site, he will see his father's customised page and personalised video about the birds and the bees, for kids from 8 to 10.
Once upon a time, there lived a curious child. He goes to school like all kids. And like all kids, he had many questions.
For kids from 11 to 13.
These cards know everything about you. Where you live. The school you go to. And the last website you tried to visit. Look at what we have here. You're not quite old enough for that website, are you?
From 14 to 16.
Strong urges in you I sense, young one. But control you must have. The dark side. The dark sites you must not cross over to. Trust your parents have in you. Responsibility you must practice.
Birds and the Bees 2.0 by StarHub SafeSurf, turning internet pornography into something good. Sex education at the right time and place.